Hello, student. This is Purushottam Vishwakarma, and I'm back with the new chapter, the question and answer session of the chapter Ivan's Tries and O Label. Here, I have taken some very important short and long answer questions related to this chapter. These questions are asked in different years' examinations. So, these are very important for you. Watch till end. Let's begin. Question number one. We'll begin from short answer questions. How does the governor convince the secretary that Evans deserves to take the O level German examination? ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. How does the governor convince the secretary that Evans deserves to take the O level German examination? गवर्नर, इफ यू रिमेंबर, मार्च मंथ में फोन करता है सेक्रेटरी ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन बोर्ड को कि उनके वहाँ एक प्रिजनर है जिसका नाम इवांस है. वो जर्मन ओ लेवल एग्जाम, जर्मन लैंग्वेज एग्जाम में पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहता है. तो कैसे कन्विंस करता है? द गवर्नर डिस्क्राइब्स इवांस एज अ कीन स्टूडेंट इन वाउचेस, और उसके लिए वो ऑफर करता है, जिम्मेदारी उसकी लेता है, फॉर हिम सेइंग दैट ही इज नॉट वायलेंट एट ऑल. अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम, Evans just needs to be given a chance to improve. What were the contents of the small brown suitcase that McCleary carried? स्टुअर्ट मैक्लीरी जो सेंट मैरी मैक्स से आते हैं, उनके सूटकेस में, ब्राउन सूटकेस में क्या क्या कंटेंट्स थे? द कंटेंट्स ऑफ द स्मॉल ब्राउन सूटकेस दैट McCleary carried were a sealed question paper envelope, a yellow invigilation form, a special authentication card from the examination board, a paper knife, a Bible, a copy of the Church Times, and a small semi-inflated rubber ring जिसमें पिग ब्लड भरा हुआ था. What did the detective superintendent inform the governor about Evans? डिटेक्टिव सुपरिटेंडेंट गवर्नर को इवांस के बारे में क्या बताता है? डिटेक्टिव कार्टर टोल्ड द गवर्नर दैट McCleary had spotted Evans drive off along Elsfield Way. They had got the number of the car and had commenced the chase immediately, but they had lost track and assumed that Evans must have come back into the city. What facts influenced the authorities to allow Evans to appear in O level exam? ऐसी क्या चीज़ें हुई कि अथॉरिटीज़ ने अलाउ कर दिया इवांस को ओ लेवल एग्जाम में अपीयर होने के लिए? इवांस वॉज अ प्लीजेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ चैप with no previous record of violence. He was the only one who opted for O level German, and the authorities thought that this might help him in attaining some sort of academic qualification. What kind of person was Evans? Evans किस तरह का व्यक्ति था? Evans had no previous record of violence and was an amiable fellow. He was a congenital kleptomaniac who would often break out of the prison by fooling the authorities, which was why they called him Evans the Break. How did McCleary explain the semi-inflated rubber ring in his suitcase? How was the ring ultimately used? किस तरह से उसकी व्याख्या करता है कि वो रबर रिंग क्यों रखा हुआ है और उस रबर रिंग का अल्टीमेटली क्या यूज होता है? McCleary carried a brown suitcase with him into the examination room, which consisted of all that he would need for his examination duties. However, when asked to explain what the semi inflated rubber ring was for, he told the authorities that he suffered from hemorrhoids and therefore needed the ring to sit on as he was not comfortable sitting for a long period. Who do you think has outwitted the other, Evans or the governor? How? आपको क्या लगता है किसने किसको आउटवे किया? Who had the last laugh? Undoubtedly, Evans outwitted the governor in the end. The governor, after decoding the numbers given in the question paper, was able to recapture Evans, but the latter was again able to give a slip to the prison officials. What clues did the answer sheets of Evans provide to the governor? Evans के आंसर सीट से गवर्नर को क्या क्लूज मिलते हैं? The clues left on the question paper were actually part of a well laid out plan. It was meant to mislead the police and kind of mock at them. The clue pointed out that Evans had hit McCleary, though it was Evans who was impersonating McCleary. This also made the police look for Evans in Newbury, when he was in fact at Hotel Golden Lion in Chipping Norton. How did the governor react to the two phone calls he received in quick succession? The governor reacted sharply but in a positive way. He was informed by the Secretary for Modern Languages that there was a correction slip to be informed to the candidate. He allows and the correction is explained to Evans. He does not doubt anything. Who was Carter? What did the governor ask him to do? कार्टर कौन था और गवर्नर ने उसको क्या करने के लिए बोला? कार्टर वॉज द डिटेक्टिव सुपरिटेंडेंट The governor told him to take McCleary along with him. He took McCleary with him to look for the absconder. Absconder कौन? Evans. The governor then asked who had seen Evans out at the prison gate. Mr. Stephen told him that it was he who had taken him out. What could the governor have done to securely bring Evans back to the prison from the Golden Lion? The governor could have brought the police force with him. Another thing that he could have done was to travel in the van that was taking Evans back to the prison. He should have also checked the credentials of the officials escorting him to the prison. लेकिन उसने ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया. इसी वजह से इवांस भाग गया. How does Evans escape from the jail? जेल से वो कैसे भागता है इवांस? Evans decided to appear for a O-level examination in German. For the same, the governor sought permission from the board. McCleary, the parson from St. Mary Mag's, came to invigilate. In reality, he was an accomplice of Evans and had imprisoned the real parson. In the cell, Evans dresses up as the parson himself. This was made possible because Evans had covered himself in a blanket. At the end of the exam, Evans walks out as what they conceived to be the real parson. How did the governor export prison describe Evans to the secretary examination board? कैसे उसकी व्याख्या करता है, उसके बारे में क्या बताता है, और what opinion of Evans did the prison authorities convey to the secretary education board, otherwise examination board? The governor describes Evans to be a pleasant sort of chap. He calls him one of the stars at Christmas concert. The governor further says that Evans is not a violent person and his only vice is that he is a congenital kleptomaniac. What was his German teacher's opinion of Ivan's proficiency in German? Ivan's German teacher was doubtful of Ivan's language ability. He felt that Evans could not even understand basic pleasantries in German. Who do you think made the call to announce a correction in the question paper? What was its purpose? किसने ऐसा किसने किया होगा, किसने कॉल किया होगा, उसका पर्पज क्या था? One of Ivan's associates would have called impersonating as the assistant secretary from the examination board. The real purpose was to include information about the escape plan. Which article in McCleary's suitcase played perhaps the most significant role in Ivan's escape and how? ऐसा कौन सा आर्टिकल था जिसने सबसे ज़्यादा हेल्प की उसकी? The semi-inflated ring that carried the pig's blood to feign injury was the article that played a significant role in Ivan's escape. Also, there was a question paper that provided the escape plan while misguiding the jail authorities who moved in a totally different direction. Now, long answer questions. Till now, we were studying short answer questions. Long answer question number one. How was the injured McCleary able to befool the prison officer? जो घायल मकलीरी था वो बेवकूफ़ बनाने में सफल हो जाता है प्रिजन ऑफिसर्स को कैसे? Injured McCleary spoke slowly and in broken phrases that he knew where Evans was. He asked the prison officer to get the police and not to worry about the ambulance. He found the German question paper on the table. He told Jackson to get the governor. He drew the attention of the governor to the German text on photocopied sheet on the last page. The governor slowly translated it. The words from Elsfield Way Drive to the Haddington roundabout caught his attention. The examination board was in Elsfield Way. Meanwhile, the police arrived. Before the governor could explain anything, McCleary told the officer to go Elsfield Way. The governor told Detective Superintendent Carter to take the injured McCleary with him. McCleary was helped inside the car. He helped the police to follow the direction indicated in the German text, all the while laughing at their credulous nature, for he was in fact Evans. What kind of person was the governor of the prison in Evans tries and O-level? उस गवर्नर का कैरेक्टर स्केच आपको लिखना है. Mention any four lapses in his arrangement for Evans O-level exam that helped Evans escape. ऐसी कौन से चार कमियां रह गईं जिससे इवांस भाग गया? The governor of Oxford prison has been characterized as an intelligent and able prison officer, but in the end, he turned out to be a good for a giggle governor. The governor tries to exert all caution, but Evans eventually manages to escape. This was mainly due to the lapses in communication and execution of work. वो फोर lapses कौन से थे? He did not verify the credibility of the German teacher. Also, no one checked the identity of the injured person, and eventually, it is found out that the injured McCleary was in fact Evans. McCleary had a tube with pig blood in it. It was successfully smuggled inside the prison because prison officials were credulous and believed that what McCleary said rather than check the tube thoroughly. Though McCleary is thoroughly searched, things like beard and double set of clothes are not revealed. तो ये कमियां रहीं जिसकी वजह से इवांस भागने में सफल रहा. Now last question in this video. What purpose did the question paper and the correction slip serve? How did they help both the criminal and the governor? The real purpose of the cleverly superimposed photocopied sheet on the question paper was to give the final details of the escape plan to Evans. It was also meant to make the authorities believe that the wounded man was actually McCleary and that he wanted to help them rearrest the escaped prisoner. At 9:40 a.m., the governor got a call from Assistant Secretary with a special responsibility for modern languages regarding a correction in the question paper. Presumably, it was an accomplice of Evans in the office of the Secretary of the Examination Board who wanted to tell Evans that after his escape from the prison, he should go to Hotel Golden Lion. The information was mean for the governor also. The governor thought about the six-digit reference, index number and center number 313/271, put the two together, and with the help of Ordnance Survey map for Oxfordshire, reached the hotel. Leaving the question paper behind was certainly not a careless blunder. Everything was part of the master plan to confound the prison authorities, particularly the governor. He was allowed to trace Evans because the planners knew that they had a cover for every eventuality. And in the long run, Evans leaves the governor wringing his hands and escapes once more. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.